So for the past few weeks, we've been discussing the importance of movement. Life is movement. The ability to move functionally is something so worth fighting for. Too often though, we spiral down during a flare to a point where we lose our mobility. But remember how movement requires muscles, muscles requires neural input, and metabolism requires mobility. It's all about quality versus quantity. All this to say that we must retain our ability to move. The biggest problem I see today is the lack of mind-body connection. Our minds are not connected with our bodies, so most of us move dysfunctionally. Quality of movement is important for us because we don't want to create more pain in our muscles and joints. So how do we move efficiently without straining our bodies? Well, we do so with core activation. Whether you're walking, golfing, playing tennis, or doing yoga, without core control, we lack the ability to move safely. We're not born with manuals for moving our bodies. We have to practice to be good at it. So if you're looking to add movement into your life, it's a good idea for you to be mindful of your core activation in all that you do. So a little bit more about the core. Core muscles are the foundation for any movement, and there are 4 essential muscles that make up the core. First is transversus abdominis, multifidus, pelvic floor, and the diaphragm. Those are the 4 muscles. Those of you who follow me on YouTube, you know how much I emphasize the importance of core in our yoga. You can activate it by using your breath. Using your breath allows you to connect your mind to your body and really pay attention to what's happening inside your body. This connection will enhance your ability to activate the core through your breath. Once you master your ability to activate your core, you can learn to move without pain because it supports your whole spine. We've been doing a series on the importance of movement in our lives. This Friday, that's tomorrow, I'll go live and show you how to activate your core on our Facebook page at Lupus Rebel. So I hope to see you there. Thank you again for joining me. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. Connie Jian, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest at Lupus Rebel. Also, please subscribe to our podcast, Health Made Easy, on iTunes. See you guys soon.